So we're in the backyard where a landscaper built a beautiful patio, and I got to compliment them on that. The brickwork is just amazing. It leaves nothing to want. You can critique it, and it's beautiful. There's no fault in that beautiful patio that's been built. But there was one thing that was overlooked. The water in this yard went under the wood deck that used to be there and drained out around this home. So this was done during the midsummer, our drought season, July, August, and then a good rain came and the water just pooled right up in here. You can build a drainage system that goes underneath a structure like this. We've done it many, many times. I'm not going to go into that in this video. However, once something like this that's so permanent has been done, all the water just stops and it's completely saturating the entire backyard. That means a French drain grid. There's nothing you can do. You got a bermed up area over here for privacy along the main road. All the lots run this way. The water gets trapped. It needs help getting out to the front of this home where we have slope. So here's our French drain grid. Went ahead, went around the patio. Water was always laying around the air conditioner. We're grabbing the downspouts. We're not letting that water go. We're taking it all the way to a 6-inch discharge line. So the French drain, and we're gonna have a total of 4 downspouts by the time we're done with this. So 4 drops, the French drain, all to a mighty, mighty virgin yellow. Yellow on the inside, yellow on the outside, Boffman Gold, the premium. This is going to be 6-inch. We'll do another drop right in the front corner here. I mean, this is all just a recipe for disaster, any way you look at it. I mean, these things are cheap and flimsy. How this happened is because the one that was originally put in quit working. Then we have another one up there. We found it right here. This is no good, so we got to tie that into the 6-inch. And then we're going to run that big 6-inch discharge line, that mini culvert pipe, the Boffman mini culvert pipe, right to one of the FDM's 20-inch. I just love this basin. It takes a 6-inch pipe or 4-inch. But man, I love this basin. That 20-inch round, that's my favorite basin. All right, everybody. Until the next video.